Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I am reviewing ingco tool, which can cut, strip, and crimp a wire. Let's see the demonstration. You can clearly see this wire has been stripped. Now I will cut and show you the wire. You can clearly see in a single stroke it cuts the wire and work really well. Later I will demonstrate this crimping also. Currently I don't have equipment for that. That's it, guys. That is my review of ingco tool. This is a cheaper version of these tools and very reliable, very good quality, good build quality. You can buy. I will recommend this tool. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.